To make your salad, you will need this. We have coriander or dania, green bell pepper. I have 2 carrots, onion, 2 tomatoes, and cabbage. So I'm not going to use all of this because it's going to be a lot. So guys, next I'm just going to wash them and then start making our salad. So I've already washed them, as you can see. So for the green bell pepper, I'm going to use only half of it. So let me start by chopping the cabbage. I'll need a clean bowl as well. So I'm going to cut this into thin slices to make the perfect salad. So this is the size I want. So next I'm going to chop the rest of the ingredients, and then I'm going to mix them all together in one bowl. So enjoy the video. So decided to transfer it in a bigger bowl since this is small. So next I'm going to mix them. Make sure your hands are clean. Mix them until everything is well combined. So for the seasoning, I'm going to add salt, black pepper, and tomato sauce. So let me start with salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Black pepper. Like that. Then I'm going to put my tomato sauce now. Be gentle with the tomato sauce. I'm going to take my spoon, mix it really nicely. I'm still going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. And here we have our salad. So let me taste it. So yummy. I can't wait for that fries to get ready. So let me just put it in a clean bowl. So this is the outcome, guys. This one you can enjoy it with your fries, bajia, viazi karai, any food, guys, even ugali and some beef on the side. So for me, I'm going to enjoy mine with some fries, with some spicy fries. Wow, look at that.